So yesterday we have discussed about the advantages of plastic. We have discussed yesterday. Yes, advantages and types of plastic also we have discussed. What are the different types of plastic? Thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics we have discussed yesterday. Yes, and the plastic in which it will be softened when heated and hardened when cooled. Those type of plastics are called thermoplastics. The plastics which will soften when heated and harden when cooled. Those type of plastics are called thermoplastics. So here what we are observing, due to the heat, the shape of the plastic changes. So that's why these are called thermoplastics. And due to the heat energy, there is no change in the shape of the plastic. Though those type of plastics are thermosetting plastics. Yes, will remain molded from the form in molded form and will not change their shape. Yes, already they molded, but they will not change their shape due to the heat energy. When heated again, they will char or burn. If we eat more and more, they will burn. That's it. There is no change in the shape, and remolding property is not there. There is no change in the shape of the plastic. Those type of plastics are called thermosetting plastics. So in our daily life, we are using uh, polythene, yes, plastic covers, polypropylene, polyvinyl chloride, PVC pipes. Those are also comes under thermoplastics. And polystyrene, acrylic, nylon, these synthetic fibers also comes under thermoplastics. And CDs, DVDs, drinking bottles, whatever we are using, mugs, buckets, and all tubs which are made up of plastic, those all are comes under shampoo bottles. Also, children, those all are comes under thermoplastics only. And one question in your textbook they have given is Tupperware. Yes, is Tupperware is a thermosetting plastic or thermoplastic? Yes, it is a. Keep your phones mute. We are getting disturbance. Thermoplastic, children. Why it is thermoplastic means thermoplastic or thermosoften plastic. Repeatedly, they will soften. Yes, they will soften. Can be molded into different shapes again, and it can be molded into different shapes again and again. So Tupperware is a thermoplastic. Why it is good, having good quality means soften. Thermo softening means repeatedly they will use to soften that one and again molded into different shapes. That's why that is somewhat better quality. All bottles which are having different qualities. So according to the, yes, according to the labels and numbers on that labels, we can conclude the quality of the bottle. PET bottle, yes, high density, vinyl, PVC, yes, polyvinyl chloride. So those are made up of PV. Those are called PVC, and polyvinyl chloride is the material used to make those. And low density polythene, polystyrene, these all are comes under thermoplastics. And thermosetting plastics are the accessories and things we are using in our life. Construction equipment panels, electrical household compounds, insulators, cell tower tops, yes, heat shields, circuit breakers, agricultural feeding, throws, motor components, disc brake post pistons, yes, plastic chairs, whatever we are using, tables, chairs, and all the furniture items, those are also made up of thermosettings because somewhat hard they are not easily melted. By overheat, they will burn. Yes, and some household components made up of thermosettings also there in our daily life. Yes, in our kitchen, we will use some plastic items which cannot influenced by heat energy. Example, handles of cookers. Yes, handles of cookers we are using, and some vessels also made up of plastics. Vessels, coffee mug. Yes, coffee mugs, Like that in our daily life, some thermosetting plastics also we are using. Yes, and examples for this are bakelite. Yesterday only we have discussed about bakelite and one more thing. What is that? Lavish, bakelite and melamine. Yes, the utensils and other items of kitchen are comes under melamine. Bakelite are handles of the cooker and yes, melamine for mainly kitchenware and bakelite for electrical appliances and switchboard and also handles of the utensils. So those all are comes under thermosetting plastics, melamine. Yes, next we are going to see about, and yesterday only we have discussed about the advantages of plastic. Yes, what are the advantages of plastic? And cheaper than metals, and it is very light in weight, strong and durable, and it can be molded into different shapes. It can be molded into different shapes. And plastics are non-reactive and they are not corrode easily. There is no rusting on that plastics. While we are exposing to the atmosphere also there is no corrosion, and that's why they are used to store various kinds of chemicals. Yes, chemicals we are store. If you want to chemicals means we can use plastics because they are non-reactive, and plastics are also poor conductors of electricity and heat. So the electric wires have plastic covering. Keep your phones mute, all of you. We are getting disturbance here. My voice is repeating me. Yes. So the electric wires have plastic covering. So inside we have copper. Yes, copper is the good conductor we are using for passing electricity through that. So is it not good like that directly we are using it is not good. So on the top of the on that we are covering with plastic. Yes, electric wires are we are seeing on the top we can observe only plastic. Inside only copper is there. So electric wires are protected by air plastic covering. So also pans, pressure cookers and screwdrivers handles also made up of plastics. Those are thermosetting plastics. Yes, pans, pressure cookers and screwdrivers handles are made up of thermosetting plastics. Bakelite is the substance there we are using. So without plastic there is no uh, facilities. There are no facilities in our daily life. So many accessories in our home we are using with which are made up of plastics, and it is having advantages that we got. And coming to the plastics and environment, how it will showing influence and how it will affects the environment. So this also we need to understand. Then only how to use plastic we can get the clear idea about this. About that. Is it children? Yes. And for long time while some other disappear sometime. So you must have seen garbage. Yes, waste dumps we are using. Waste we are throwing out. Garbage dumps. We can observe some articles remain for long time. Yes, some things of the garbage will remain for long time and some will disappear. They will into the decompose into the earth. So those decomposition is most important, children. Then only our environment will be clean and quiet. Or else those are harmful to our environment. Global warming will increase due to that remaining components which are exist in garbage. So you may notice that the most of the materials in that are polythene only, polythene bags. Yes, polythene is a plastic. We are using those for making carry bags. So we need to think about that to protect our environment most probably. And last year we done that skit. In that also we have mentioned this point. Yes, polythene bags thrown around are responsible for clogging drains. Yes, animals in urban areas, particularly cows, eat polythene bags containing food material. So those will get hurt inside and they will die also sometimes because of that plastic bags. So components which we are throwing out, we must concentrate on those. And with the direction of the Supreme Court of India, very thin polythene bags have been banned to stop, because they are not decomposed into the earth. Very thin plastic is dangerous, children, than other. So what is the difference between banned polythene bags and the bags using presently in place of previous? Yes, so that we need to understand. Some plastic bags are banned, and now also we are using some plastic bags. And what is the difference between those? Very thin polythene bags have been banned. Yes, now we are using different bags. Some efforts are taking place to reduce negative consequences of the plastics on the environment. If we burn plastic, it creates a lot of air pollution also, children. Yes, if we burn plastic, lot of air pollution. So plastics and environment is our today's most probably discussing topic. If you want to write, means you can write, children. Yes. So here we need to understand. So plastic is having so many advantages, and it is needed for us in our. Yes, I will send pictures. You must have seen garbage waste dumps. So the polythene polythene is a plastic used for making carry bags. Yes, making carry bags. So it polythene bags thrown around is responsible for. These are responsible for responsible for responsible for. Is it visible to you, children? Clogging drains. So clogging drains, it is responsible for that. It is responsible. And animals in urban areas, particularly cows, eat polythene bags containing food material. So they will die at that time. So animals in urban areas, particularly cows. So be careful while we are using plastic bags and polythene covers. Bags containing food material. They may die. Yes, what, Nana? Particularly cows. Cows eat polythene bags. Cow. Second point, these are responsible for clogging drains. Yes, Supreme Court. What Supreme Court done? And the fourth point also you can write now. If we burn plastic, keep your phones mute, Nana. Keep your phones mute. It creates a lot of air pollution. So these are the all disadvantages. So, and with the direction of Supreme Court of India, very thin polythene bags have been banned. So Supreme Court banned very thin polythene bags. And how those are different from the other bags. Other banned polythene bags are different from other polythene bags, that we need to know. So here they have given, children, plastic bags are more danger than atom bomb. Yes, for future generations. Supreme Court of India stated like this. And excessive use of plastic bags and their unregulated disposal has been choking lakes, ponds, and urban sewerage systems. The Supreme Court said while warning that it posed a threat more serious than the atom bomb. Yes, atom bomb is better than polythene bag for next generations. Andhra Pradesh based NGO was drawing the court's attention to 30 to 60 kg of plastic bags recovered from the stomachs of cows. Yes, their weight may be 500-600 kg. So among that 30 to 60 of plastic bags recovered from the stomachs of the cows because of irresponsibility of the disposal bags persons and defund municipal waste collection system uh, given that statement. But the bench wanted to address the larger questions arising from indiscriminate use of plastic bags, which not only posed a grave threat to nature and environment but also to the human race itself. And all of us are watching how our lakes, ponds, and urban sewerage systems are getting choked by plastic bags that we also need to understand. Unless we examine a total ban on plastic bags or put in place a system for manufacturers mandating them to collect back all plastic bags. Yes, children, this is needed. Yes, unless we examine a total ban on plastic bags or put in place a system for manufacturers mandating them to collect back all plastic bags which are we are using for carry bags, the this is mandatory to collect back again. The next generation will be threatened with something more serious than the atom bomb because of this environment pollution creating generates. So that's why for future generations it may be most serious than an atom bomb. Justice Sigvi and Mukhopadhyay said large quantities of water packed in plastic pouches which were thrown around in undisciplined and uncivil manner. Yes, packets, Nana, water packets. So those are undiscriminately they are throwing out. Yes, and country every day across the country every day so many plastic covers due to that. A rough estimation shows more than 100 million. Yes, 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs. Yes, 10 lakhs into 100 water pouches are thrown all over the cities and towns in a day. One day, 100 million. How will be creates a pollution, children? Just understand. Yes, so we need to concentrate on that. And biodegradable, non-biodegradable. So here we need to understand about this. I think you got about plastic, how much it is dangerous to human beings and environment and all the living organisms and all the species of. Yes, biodiversity will also damages due to this. Biodiversity will also getting disturbance due to the plastic. Because of the urban areas, we are throwing plastics. Due to that, the living things, living organisms, animals and all are disturbing. Birds also disturbing due to the, they are losing their health due to this plastic. This is most dangerous to the future generations than atom bomb that Supreme Court stated like that. Yes. So I think you got about plastic and environment. Yes. And here we can write that point. Yes. Excessive use of plastic bags. Excessive use of plastic bags. Plastic bags most dangerous than a atom bomb. For future generations. So last year we have done that We presented that skit. In that also we said that it is mandatory to the manufacturers, yes, to collect back all plastic bags again. Total ban, unless we examine a total ban on plastic bags, or put in place a system for manufacturers mandating them to collect back all plastic bags. You can copy this one from this. Yes, they didn't announce anything about that, so your math class will be there. So unless we examine a total ban on plastic bags or put in place a system for manufacturers mandating them to collect back all plastic bags. Yes, you can write this point. Okay, very thin polythene bags. Where I wrote children. Yes, very thin polythene bags after excessive use of plastic bags most dangerous than a atom bomb for future generations. This point you should write. Unless we examine, unless we examine, we examine a total ban, a total ban on plastic bags, or put in place a system for manufacturers, for manufacturers to collect back, to collect back, manufacturers to collect back, collect back all. Again, yes, it should be mandatory to the manufacturers to collect back, or else we need to completely stop that production. Yes, that is most important. Then only we can control, or else we cannot do anything. Yes, manufacturers should collect back, or else complete production will be stopped. Then only we can control. If they will, manufacturers will produce, nothing will be used. Nothing is there to do for human beings. So this point only we given in that skit. Yes, plastic manufacturing companies will do something, then only we can get relief from this plastic pollution. It is most dangerous for the future generations. So about environment and plastic we have discussed. Then afterwards activity 9. So biodegradable, non-biodegradable. So what is biodegradable, children? Can you guess? Anyone? Lavesh? Very good. Non-biodegradable? Very good. Very good. Which are decomposed, which can decomposed or comes under decomposed into the soil, those are comes under biodegradable, and which are not decomposed into the soil or comes under non-biodegradable. So here among these two, so if we observe peels of fruits and vegetables, left over food stuff, waste paper, cotton, cloths, and plastic bags. Among these, which are degradable and which are non-degradable, children? Peels of fruits. Yes, peels of fruits, those are degradable. Yes, we can throw out. And vegetables also. Decomposition is possible. Good microorganisms are also there for decomposition purpose. Yes, in 6th class you have studied those crow and vulture are also clean the environment. They are cleaning the environment by eating and by taking food from the waste, garbage and dead animals food they are eating. They are cleaning the environment. So for decomposition purpose they are good and they are natural scavengers. We have discussed at that time. And next, leftover food stuff. leftover food stuff. So this is also degradable, comes under degradable. Is it? Waste paper, papers. Paper is degradable or not? Cotton cloth. Yes, cotton cloth. Plastic bag. This is comes under non-biodegradable. Like that. Is it okay, Vaishnavi, Tishita? So like that, you can observe that here approximate time to disappear, and each and everything among these are having different time taking process. Here plastic is also, plastic bags are also degradable, but for degrading these all so much of time. Yes. So this is called decomposition, which are degradable, which are decomposed into the soil, is called decomposition. So we can observe that smaller fragments in the presence of water, sunlight and oxygen, these fragments get further broken down by bacteria. So this is called decomposition. Here decomposition definition they have given children. Certain materials can break down into smaller fragments in the presence of water, sunlight and oxygen, and these get further broken down by bacteria. This is called a decomposition, and a material which is easily decomposed by natural process is called biodegradable. Naturally they should decompose into the soil, then only they are calling as biodegradable. And one which is not decomposed by natural process are called non-biodegradable. Here two definitions they have given children. Yes, the material which is easily decomposed. First decomposition you should write. Decomposition. And then decomposition definition I will give you. Okay. And in the presence of natural process means in the presence of water. In the presence of water, sunlight and oxygen the materials break down into smaller fragments and mixed into soil, is called decomposition into soil by some bacteria. Yes, this is possible by bacteria also, is called decomposition. And degradable, biodegradable and non-biodegradable definitions you should write. Degradable. So biodegradable, a material which is easily decomposed by natural process. Are called, natural process is called biodegradable. And the material non-biodegradable. The material or a material which is not decomposed. Not decomposed by natural process is called non-biodegradable. I think you got this. The time taken for decomposition depends upon the weather, a material. Yes. And explore various sources of material to know the time required for them to decompose. Plastics take several years to decompose as compared to the other material, and they will take, I think they will take 12 years, more than 12 years to decompose into the soil. What, Nana? Not clear. Yes, all of you keep your phones mute now only, na? Now only it is happening. My voice is not clear now only. Yes, you all keep your phones mute. Then I will tell about this. Yes, plastics take several years to decompose into the soil, as compared to the peels of fruits, vegetables, and waste foodstuff, which decompose within short period. And slow decomposition cause environmental pollution. The burning process of these synthetic plastic bags cannot burn completely, and air pollution will also happening because of this. Lot of poisonous fumes will be released into the atmosphere. So it is better to avoid to use the plastics to minimize. It is better to minimize the use of plastics first. Yes. So here you should write the time taken for decomposition. Yes, we have no time. So afterwards we will more fun. 1 minute we have children. Teacher will send link, means she will start again. After 1 minute only she will start. Tomorrow we will discuss the remaining. Okay. Thank you for nice class with you. Thank you for nice class with you.